hindi siya matulpo. Kasi matutulpo siya.
May super pere, ano? Super pere.
Super ferry.
Negros na
Negros na
Nakasakay namin ng mga ship sa Pinas.
Always,
Always.
yeah. My mom is from Dumaguete.
Roro,
Yeah.
Roro.
My mom is from Dumaguete. 5 hours away or 4 hours.
Ilalagay doon sa boat. Mahal
Try
din
mo.
kaya.
Ma-okay before. Ngayon medyo nahilo na ako.
Kasi
Sinasanay
na-try ko yung
ba?
yung papuntang Corregidor from Manila.
Ayan,
Where is Corregidor?
Bataan.
Ah,
Diba, Corregidor?
Really?
Ang grabe ang alon. Oh my gosh.
Parang malaking boat siya, malaki.
Hindi siya malaking boat.
Baka fast craft. May mga fast craft eh.
Basta hindi siya big.
Royal Caribbean, no?
Liberty of the Seas.
Royal
Royal
Caribbean,
Caribbean,
yeah,
yeah.
that's
Okay.
I think that's
one right here.
Oh, that's Liberty.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
Liberty
wow.
of the Seas.
Oh, Liberty of the Seas.
Pansit.
For us.
Wow.
The VIPs.
Black Eyed Peas.
The last one to check.
Oh, guys! That's where we're going!
Ano?
Yeah, so big. I like Florida. Parang gusto kong dito na lang mag-retire muna. Pero
Ayoko yung weather kasi.
sobrang init ba?
Ano? For sure.
Oh, where is it? I don't know.
No, it's not here.
Yeah.
18. We're 19, right?
Yeah, 90 is the
Ah.
black there. Yeah, sure. What are the GPS looking like? The GPS was
Ako
showing
nung
over
iba,
here.
nakara yung phone ko.
We press 19. Kasi
18.
No, this is 18. Gotta go back. Gotta go back. Yeah. This guy's not helping.
mm,
I wonder what is it.
Ayun doon yung celebrity, yun yung kasabay natin kaninang kumakain.
GPS.
Oh,
yan
yun
pala
na,
yun
naman.
siya. Ah, okay.
Celebrity sila.
celebrities din.
Ito, mga liberty lang tayo.
Parang mas malaki yung ship natin.
Anong malaki yun?
Yung ship natin parang mas malaki doon sa celebrity. Itong Liberty.